the duration of activity H changes to X hours. And we need to find, in terms of X, where necessary, the possible early event time for event 7, possible late event time for event 7. So here we can go and change H. H is now X instead of 4. And we want to look at how this is going to impact the early times and the late times for 7. That's this one here. So we look at the possible early times here. We had 13, which came from 9 and 4, gave us 13. So now that's going to change, and that could be 9 plus X. Now, X could be less than 4 though, and this might impact. Because if this is smaller, then this might no longer be the one that produces our earliest start time. So we've got to also look for what was the second one, if this had not been here. 7 and 5 would have given us 12. 5 and 6 would have given us 11. 10 and 1 would have given us 11. So the second one was 12. So our early time now is going to be the largest of 12 or 9 plus X, whichever one gives the bigger value. For part 2, our latest time is the same idea. We look at, where did this 15 come from? This 15 has come from our 20 minus 5 to give 15. H had no impact on that. So our late time might remain as 15. However, if H is going to be larger, then that might impact this late start time. For example, if H went up to say 8, then we're going to have 9 and 8 would make 17. This is going to change. So it either remains as 15, or it's going to change and it's going to become 9 plus X, whatever this value here produces. So those are our new start and late times. 9 plus X or 12 for our earliest, 15 or 9 plus X for our latest.